Hi guys, welcome to Pambosco's Electrical Solution page. So now I will take you through the process and how this system is powered. As you can see, this staircase lighting system is an automation lighting system. Automation in the sense that you don't need to on it. As soon as you start moving on the staircase, the light automatically turns on its own. It doesn't need a manual switch. You understand? So it has an automated switch inbuilt in it. So as soon as you start moving, it's a proximity lighting setup anyway. As soon as you start moving on this staircase, the light turns on its own. You don't need to switch on the switch, flipping it up or down. You understand? So if I start moving on this staircase now, you see the light will start to move as I start moving. So now this is it. Let's see. So this is how it is made up. So I will take you through to the point where the connection of this lighting setup is made and the device that is designated for this kind of installation. You understand? So this is it. And most of you will be wondering, what if someone is coming from the first floor or the upper floor? How then does the light turn on? Does it only turn on when you are ascending or when you are descending? So as a matter of fact, it senses your presence when you are ascending and when you are descending as well. So if I start moving from this place to climb this first story building, and someone eventually is at the upside trying to descend, the light will automatically descend the both of us. It will sense our presence. This one will start moving to this side, while this other one will start moving from the other side as well. So it will be a lot easier. So rather than it moving from this side. So but this lighting system is very sensitive. So it requires expert professionals who knows how to do it perfectly. So that's where Pambosco Electrical Solution comes in. So when you have such installation, you're looking for someone who can install it perfectly for you, you will come to us. So now our office, our address is Owerri, Imo State. So this is how the setup is made. As you can see, our client requested lighting system. The design you choose. Don't find that one running over there. That one is not attached to this. So that one, the installation process is different from this one. So this is it. Now, follow me. Let me take you to the process, or let me take you to where the connection is done. So over here, you can see, and let's not forget, this is a DC lighting system. It's a direct line, not an AC lighting system. So in order for it to get on, you don't power it directly from your AC current, as the system will get burned and get damaged. So this is what helps in ensuring we get it power. So this system here is a rectifier. You understand? A rectifier in the sense that it converts AC to DC. Unlike our inverter, what inverter does is it converts DC to AC current, the one we use at home. But this one here converts AC to DC. So it has an inbuilt rectifier. So this is it. This system here is where the connections are done. It's where the connections are done. And what this system needs is a DC current. Understand? So this is it. And this system here, the configuration is done on a phone. You understand? So you have a specific app that helps in configuring it. So if you don't know it, you end up doing it somehow. Somehow the system will not work perfectly as you wish. So it is very, very important for you to get expertise to configure the system for you. So this is how it looks. So this is the system. So installation is done. So thank you. If this is the first time of coming across our channel on YouTube, all you need to do is just click that subscription button you're seeing on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification button. What that notification button does is it notifies you whenever we post new videos. You'll be the first to get notified and you watch and learn. Our main goal is to ensure people know what we know. You understand? So that's just it. So thank you, and make sure you share the video as well. God bless you.